is Isaiah Baituti, Chief Officer, Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries Department, even studying in food.
Molo County Commissioner Meru. Asante Mheshimiwa. I'm Charles Mutiri.
We now go to Tharaka-Nithi. Team, please be upstanding. Tharaka-Nithi County in charge of trade, cooperatives, investment promotion, industry and energy. Thank you very much.
Kena Munene, County Director for Cooperatives, Tharaka-Nithi. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let us appreciate the Tharaka-Nithi team.
Fisheries also standing on for the CC agriculture.
Coffee was doing so well when we were doing 150,000 metric tons. We were doing so well until our own leaders, our own cooperative leaders, decided they want something called a coffee liberalization. For them to liberalize kahawa iwe soko huru, iwe soko huru kabisa. Because I really want to thank those counties who have revived their cooperative unions. Because the death of the unions, that was the beginning of the death of the coffee sector, the coffee cooperatives.
Kahawa ikiibiwa, don't go for the small fish. Grab the directors, weka kahawa ndani. Na hiyo kabisa. Nasema hivi kwa nini waziri? Kwa sababu itakuwa vipi kahawa imeenda imeweka kwenye store. Kahawa nyingi. Na wanajua kwamba kahawa ni dhahabu, ni dola hii. Alafu wananyamaza, alafu anakwenda kumnyorosha watchman viboko, alafu anachukua kahawa, alafu anapiga king'ora kahawa imeibiwa. Kama kuna kahawa jinsi ile, mbona wasingetaka vyombo vya usalama viwashike mkono, viwasaidie kulinda ile kahawa? Kwa sababu tuko tayari kuwapa usaidizi ule katika kulinda ile kahawa na katika kuisafirisha barabarani. Isije ikasemekana kwamba lori pia limechukuliwa na wakurupuzi ili kahawa ifike mahali inapokwenda. Kwa hivyo mko na ruksa ya kuwachukua hata kama wanaviriba, wawekwe ndani, waeleze kahawa aliyochukua ni nani.
The bill has passed through the National Assembly. It has also passed through the Senate. And now it is at the mediation stage in the National Assembly, and according to the mediation regulations, in 60 days, that mediation should have been resolved, and we are hopeful that this particular bill should be enacted by September by His Excellency the President. This bill addresses mainly governance issues within the cooperative movement. These governance issues within the cooperative societies is what made coffee production in this country suffer. So the bill addresses the corporate governance issues. Secondly, it aligns responsibilities between county governments and national government, and also it creates structures, proper structures for cooperative movement. Within the coffee sector, there will be primary cooperatives, secondary cooperatives, the federation, and then the apex.